Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Can't he see his side mirror? Don't drive like this, please. Lucky that the truck had good brakes. Apparently, the no U-turn sign wasn't clear. It's his road, actually. We're just driving on it. Wear your seatbelts, you never know what can happen. The sun wasn't even in the other driver's eyes. This idiot with his head down on his phone crawls across 3 lanes of traffic. Almost got hit by someone who doesn't know how to change lanes. The driving instructor wasn't paying attention as his student cut me off.
Bro, what the f***? Holy sh**.
How do these people get their driver's license? I need new pants after this one. Just bought a Dashcam a few days ago. Not really upset, but wait for these 3 morons.
What the f*** is your problem?
Do you think he's even able to see if there are cars coming along? His hesitation almost got me. He wants to go first.
What are you doing, you What the heck, man? What the problem? What are you doing?
Am I too slow to react, or did the car driver just not see me? Bad drivers never miss their exits. Never. All the video games help. He hit me with the emotes too. I'm willing to bet he was drunk considering how slow he was to react to anything going on. Taking the next exit would have taken you an extra minute or two. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.